are pleased to show you the 2019 Ford F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, premium sound system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.